Here's how to adjust margins in a PDF document. First, locate the PDF file on your computer. Right-click on it, select Open With, and then choose Adobe Acrobat. Once the PDF is open in Adobe Acrobat, you'll see something like this. Now, click on All Tools at the top. A panel will appear on the left-hand side. From there, select Organize Pages, and you'll see all the pages in your PDF. Next, select all the pages in the page selector, and then click Set Page Boxes. A pop-up window will appear. First, check the unit setting. If it's set to millimeters, change it to inches. After that, under Change Page Size, switch the option from Fixed to Custom. You'll now see the current dimensions of your PDF. To increase the margins, simply increase the page width. For example, I'll change the width from 8.5 to 9.5 inches, while keeping the height at 11 inches. As you can see, this adds extra margin space to the PDF. You'll also notice the page range option. It's currently set to all pages, but if you only want to adjust the margins for specific pages, you can select those instead. Once you're satisfied with the settings, click OK. Your PDF will be updated and the margins will be adjusted accordingly. That's all for this video. Thanks.